7. Verticals, MR 7.
Alright, we're going back to Eric in here and get him hooked up. Hang on a minute, let me get you out of the way here. Alright, we're getting all our test equipment set up here.
This is Loudest car.
So we can make it legal. You're going to put it right over the mouth of that. You can back him up. He's good right there? Alright.
Yeah, get a fucking Subaru over there. Right vertical. Paul, get your car.
What the hell possessed you to do this? What possessed you to do this?
I had to.
Had to. Nothing better to do, huh?
Right, exactly.
Alright, that's cool. That's a heck of a good idea. Alright, you ready? Alright, go for it, man. Alright, good. Looks like we got a score.
Subaru's coming. I Subaru is louder.
Alright, score on this is 114.
Get a Subaru!
Alright, Eric, slide down here.
Rena, tell him.
And just hang out. We should have somebody down there to meet you. Where you from, Eric? Rochester, New York? Nice, I like that. Let's get you going. Alright, Eric, with a Corvette here. Pull up and back to this, back up to that little stand right there. Looks like we got a 06 up. Alright, Eric, from, where'd you say you're from, Eric? New York?
Yeah.
What possessed you to do this?
Beer?
Beer. Okay. Are you going to put this thing in a run-out contest?
You can buy me tires?
No, we won't, but you don't have to blow them all the way. You can just make a lot of smoke and entertain us.
No, that's all right.
Oh, come on, dude. Wow, you never seen this thing in the burnout contest? All right, we're going to do the burnout contest. Sign up when you're done here. Are you ready? All right, go ahead, man. Make as much noise as you can. On here. Did you drive all the way in from, back farther? Okay, did you drive all the way, hey, look at me, did you drive all the way from Washington State?
Yes, I did.
Why?
Why not?
Is this the best show in the country?
Probably.
Is that why you're here? Absolutely. Is this thing going to be in a burnout contest? Alright, well, get ready to make some noise. Are you ready?
Give me a beer!
Alright, man, go ahead.
Give me a baby!
Looks like we got 111. All right, Jason, you about ready?
Sick.
You can see his front lip.
Hang on, all right, Lily Wills, ready for everybody? Pittsburgh. All right, man, how about them Browns? Smart ass. All right. Are we ready? You guys ready? Hold on a minute, we gotta reset the equipment from these last guys. Hey Matt, can you still hear? It's from 1 years. Now last guy popped the computer. All right, go ahead for it. Go ahead, Larry. Alright, there it was. Out of Pittsburgh, first place, man. Looks like you had some problems with the curve there, too.